Hey, what's up, Nate? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over these three free tips so you can actually apply them to your website. Really go through the rankings and get on that first page and really bring in the leads coming off that first page of Google. This isn't going through those hefty, expensive Facebook ads or anything. This is all organic too, by the way. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site pulled up here. Google loves words. They see everything, even these images. They see this all. You got contact back there. You can actually put buyer's intent keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings. So really the first tip is switch out those images and also be about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words. Plus having that much more content, you can layer in those keywords. And those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is actually being found. So kind of give you an example here. If I go inside of Google and type in handyman woodland CA, this is what you're going to see. You got this a little map section here at the very top. You can see all the different businesses competing to get to the very top in this Google My Business Listing or GMB. Some people even call it a three-pack because all the traffic only happens in the top three sections. But get to the top there, you're going to be dealing with online directories. These are also known as citations. These are just different directories like Facebook, LinkedIn, the BBB, Yelp, City Star. There's thousands of them out there. So ideally what we'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms on your listing, they see all the work that you've done into it, and they're going to put you in the top just for all that work that you have done. Underneath this GMB listing, we have that first page of Google. And really to get your website found on that first page, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you are found for those keywords. But also, I'll go over keywords in just a minute, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. Not all backlinks are created equal. These are just different links from different websites that's just really pushing power to your site so you can get on that first page of Google. Kind of give you an example here. If I take your URL, stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like you got this thing going back in May, April, March 20 or so. This is the last 3 months of your site. 6 referring domains pushing back 7 backlinks. Historically, you've had about 11 there. Missing the keywords, missing the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors. This is a Aldrete, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce it. I put them inside of Ahrefs. Here's the keywords that they're actually ranking for. So some of these keywords, handyman woodland CA, there's 30 clicks, handyman Davis CA, just really coming in, finding whatever keywords that you actually want to go after. We can actually go after TV mounting as well, but we can put a big list of keywords of work that you want to do. So that way we can really target those and bring in those qualified jobs on what you're actually going after, and really bring a decent amount of work for you. But anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye.